This is my Toyota Corolla Hatchback XSE 6-speed manual. Even at the XSE trim level, they decided not to include a Homelink mirror. So I bought the accessory Homelink mirror. I'm going to try and install this today. Part number PT37400210. To remove this plastic trim piece needs to come off first. The plastic trim is out, so this big one is held with these two orange clips, and this small one has similar two clips that goes this way. So at the bottom of the mirror there's a T20 Torx bit. Grab the mirror stem and not too bad. So here's a quick comparison between the Homelink accessory mirror and the factory mirror. So the accessory mirror is much bigger and it has Homelink. It's battery operated and sealed, no way to replace the battery. There is wiring here. For whatever reason, Toyota decided not to include the Homelink. The installation of this new mirror is exact opposite of removal. Stick it in here, and that's about it. And I need to tighten the screw at the bottom of the mirror. Slide this trim piece back on, and the other remaining plastic piece that goes this way. That finishes the install of the Homelink mirror. The next would be configuring the Homelink mirror. I have two different remote setups here, and programming is different for each of the remotes. So the first one, so slow flashing orange means it's not yet programmed. So I'm supposed to hold it close and press the button. Okay, so the orange is solid, that means the programming is done. So I'm done with this. So the second one, I'm going to start with the second button. Slow programming light. Do the same thing. I'm going to press. So the garage door is beginning to close because this remote is for this door. Yeah, now see the orange button is flashing much faster. So I have to go and press the learn button on the garage door opener for this one. So press the learn button on the remote. I need to press this once to complete the programming. So I saw the light flash on the garage door opener. Let's see. Voila. That's it about the Toyota accessory mirror. Ciao.